everybody and welcome to Doggy Style. Today I'll be grooming Alii and he is American Bulldog.
Do you really think I will go in there freely? You have to be joking, woman. No way. Nope. Oh, come on. I don't need a bath. I smell much better than your hands. Look, I'm not happy about this. Ask my owner. She will tell you I'm clean. At least put warmer water. Cameraman, save me, please.
As always, I'm putting shampoo in empty bottle and mix it with warm water. I shake it until it's ready and apply it all over his body, and I have to be careful to not get shampoo into his eyes. Instead of using my fingers, I discovered much better solution for bathing short-haired dogs like him, and that's by using grooming brush. It helps all the dead hairs to fall off easily, shampoo foams much better, and it's also giving him a nice massage.
Come on, Susie, let's go. Oh, yes. Do I smell bacon? Water again? Yeah, she's nuts. Well, if I have to be wet again, so shall you. How do you feel now? You're welcome. Shampoo again? What's that blue stuff? Is this edible?
I'm putting diluted shampoo specially made for white fur. It will neutralize all underlying red and orange pigments of his coat and enhance the icy tones. Now you can see there is much more foam, and that's the reason to shampoo your dirty dog 2 times for a better cleaning.
Don't do that with my face. No, my smushy face, no. Do you know I can kill you? Yeah, just put my ears like that. I look scary. Now. Oh, you are so done when I get out of this bathtub.
Even though he's a short-haired dog, I need to put the regenerator.
Oh, I know that. That's that stuff that makes my hair so smooth and soft. Right?
That's right, it's conditioner.
Water again? What do you think I am? Sea lion?
Alii, I have to rinse off conditioner.
Finally, here's some water for you. Now pet me, human, and lift me up. Take this water off me, please. Here, I'll help you.
I know that he doesn't like to be dried with blow dryer or an area where his head and neck is, so I'm trying to collect as much water I can with combination of magic towel and bath towel also.
Do I smell hamburger?
I know that he's such a drama queen, so I'm putting happy hoodie on his head to help him to block the noise from the blow dryer. And for his safety and mine also, I tie him up like this, because he has tendency for sudden movements and turning around and around and around. He really doesn't like blow dryer. I don't don't want for him to feel. He already knows what's coming. Ready?
Oh, don't do that, Susie.
I have to put my mask. That's my safety. Big. I have small head. Are you ready, Ali? And here we go. Let the drama begin.
Maybe if I ignore her, she will let me go. Don't do that, Susie.
I know it looks bad for you to see him tied up like this, but I hope that you understand now that it's very functional.
Haha, she's brushed me with 2 brushes. Good luck with that.
Since he put his back like that, I'm gonna put a little bit of cologne.
Girl, are you out of your mind? She's not funny.
Smells nice, huh?
Not like bacon or turkey.
And that's it, folks. Like, subscribe, share. You know what to do. Bye. Say bye. Bye bye.
Please help me, God, please.
Beko. Beko. What is it?